I'm gonna show you how to edit your vertical videos with this particular app. You don't have to download no app, especially if you got an iPhone. But I'm gonna just show you here on my videos. This is I got a couple of vertical videos. You see that video and that video. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take those two videos and put it into this app, and I'm gonna edit it, and then I'm gonna show you how to do your thing and make it vertical again. But only thing you need is iMovie. And I think iMovie comes on your iPhone. So you can just go down and in your search, you just click on your search and start typing iMovie. And you notice that that app right there pops up. It's called iMovie. So you just click on that app. And once you click on the app, this is what opens up. And you go right down to the bottom where it says movie. And you can do other things, storyboard and magic. But we're just going to talk about how to edit a vertical movie. So you just click on the movie. Okay, see, it brings up my media. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this one. And I'm also select this one. So I got two selected. And once you select all the ones you want, you go down here to the bottom where it says create movie. You just click on it. And now it puts it into your iMovie. So I'm going to go to the front. You see right there, it's 1 minute and 20 seconds because it's combined them with what you do. And I'm going to just go to the beginning. I'm going to click on this right here. And you see right here, it has that plus. You click on that and it says pinch to zoom. So you just pinch it to the lowest size you can. You see how I did that? And then you go to your next clip. Right there. You click on it. You see how I did that? Clicked on it. You see that yellow outline. And you go right here to that plus again. And it says pinch. You see how I pinched that? And you can increase it or decrease it, but you want to pinch it to the smallest size. So once that's done, you can go through and you can do more edit. You can take the voice out and you can put clips over clips. It's pretty cool, that iMovie. And once you did what you want to do right in here to the size you want, you hit done. And once it's done, you could put this button right here, down here at the bottom. You click it and you want to share the video right here. Hit share. Then you want to come up and you want to save it right here. Save video. So now what it's doing is exporting it into your album. So it takes about, it depends on how big the video is. It takes about maybe a minute to do that. And once it's finished exporting, you see right there, it'll go into your album. And I'm going to show you what to do from there. Okay, you see, this how I've exported into your album. So it says your movie is exported to your photo library. You click OK. Once you click OK, just exit out of that and go to your album. And this is the video right here that it exported from your iMovie to your album. So now what you want to do is go to your edit down here in your album. You hit edit. And once you hit edit, you want to come down here where it says crop. So you click on that crop. Then what you want to do is just size this to where that video fits perfectly. You know, and then go to the other edge, click on it and drag it. And it fits like that. Once you did that, you want to go up here where you see this, it's like squares and squares. You click on it and then you go down here, just slide, I say to the right, and you'll see a 9:16. Click on that and hit, and once you click on that, hit done, and there you go. You have your vertical video. It's that simple. So if I play this vertical video, You're gonna notice, watch. I'm gonna show you this lint removal that I purchased here off Amazon. Thing is perfect to get lint off your clothes. I'm gonna silence this. Hair. You're gonna notice that it's gonna merge into the other videos. You see that? So those are the two videos that are merged together. So now it's in a vertical format. So that's how easy it is. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.